In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload digital assets to ClickFunnels 2.0. Whether you're new to using ClickFunnels or just need a refresher, I'll guide you through each step of the process so you can manage your digital assets efficiently. This process is straightforward, and with a little practice, you'll be able to do it in no time. First, you'll want to open ClickFunnels and navigate to the Funnels section. This is your starting point for managing all your digital assets. By clicking on the Funnels tab, you can access various features and settings related to your funnels. This is where you'll be managing and organizing your digital content. Next, proceed to the Workspace settings. Think of this section as the control panel where you can tweak and customize various facets of your workspace. It's essential to be comfortable navigating here because it serves as the central hub for managing your assets. Once you're in the Workspace settings, look for the My Assets option. This is where all your digital assets are stored and organized. It's a user-friendly space that helps you keep track of all the important files you might need for your business or projects. Clicking here will open a window to everything you've uploaded or plan to upload. Now you should see the Download section. This step is crucial because it's where you can manage downloadable content. Whether you're offering free resources or paid content, this section helps organize everything neatly. From here, you want to hit the Upload File button. It's time to add a new asset to your collection. This functionality allows you to pull in new digital files from your computer into ClickFunnels, making them accessible within your workspace. After clicking, you'll want to type in any necessary information that highlights the asset's purpose or content. This could include titles or descriptions, whatever helps you identify the file later. Adding clear, descriptive names will save you a lot of time and effort down the line when you're sorting through your assets. Finally, you'll need to click on the Upload File button once more to confirm your file choice and begin the actual upload. At this point, your selected file will start to transfer from your device to your ClickFunnels account. This might take a moment depending on the size of the file, so patience is key. When the upload is complete, locate the newly uploaded file and click on it. This last step ensures everything uploaded correctly, and you're able to access the asset when needed. It's always good practice to do a quick check to confirm all details are in place and accurate. And there you have it. A thorough but simple guide to uploading digital assets to ClickFunnels 2.0. With these steps, you can easily manage your digital content, ensuring your audience always has access to what they need. Thanks for watching, and happy uploading!